Welcome to my 20th birthday vlog.
It's the most wonderful time of the year.
So we're staying in downtown Cincy. We're right across from the Red Stadium, if you are familiar with this city. We have some fun stuff planned tonight. My birthday is actually tomorrow, Sunday. Today's Saturday. Yes, but we're celebrating today. Our brother and his girlfriend are on their way to meet us at the hotel that we're staying at. We're gonna do like appetizers, and then we're going out to, not wine, I don't drink wine. And then we are, going out to dinner, and then we're gonna ice skate. So yeah, I'm not really sure how this video is gonna like play out, just because I don't really like filming with other people. I just feel weird about it. So it's probably gonna be a lot of like montages. Just a heads up. Do you know what a montage is?
Nope.
Okay, well they're cool. So, adios.
I guess they're not saying bye.
Alright, so here is our room. We have 2 beds and 4 people.
4 people.
This would be a funny clip.
There's Dad.
So today's Sunday. It is my official birthday. I turned 20 today. I am officially turning 20 at 5:26 p.m. in case you were wondering. So yeah, I don't really know like where this vlog is right now, just because I really did not record much last night or this morning. Just because we were just kind of like doing stuff all together, and I just kind of like feel weird about bringing my camera out unless it's like something that's like of what we're seeing and not like of us, if that makes sense. So yeah, we did like a little appetizer once my brother and his girlfriend got to our hotel for about an hour, and then we went ice skating for like 2 hours, which was so much fun. I love ice skating. So yeah, that was fun. And then we did Chipotle for dinner, and then we came back to the room and watched an episode of The Office. My favorite Christmas episode is Secret Santa. It's the best. It's season 6. Don't remember what episode it is, but it's so freaking good, so highly recommend. And then this morning we just did breakfast at the Sleepy Bee. It's like a Cincinnati place, and it's really, really, really delicious. I love going there. And then yeah, we just kind of walked around, and we just got home. It's 12:57. I just made myself a cup of coffee because I haven't had a cup yet. And I'm actually about to do homework for a little bit. I have a huge research paper that's due tonight. And if you guys watched my last week in my life, I actually lost a huge portion of it. I think I accidentally deleted it. So I've been like working on this paper like very, very strenuously for I don't even know how long, probably like 2 weeks. So I'm just like so ready just to be done with it. So yeah, Friday I was going through and I was like making my last edit, so now I'm just gonna read it, make any little last changes, but basically just like make sure I didn't or don't have any like mistakes on spelling or grammar or anything like that. and then I'm going to submit it and be done with it. And then I have 2 finals that are Tuesday, so I'm going to start studying for my marketing final. I actually have a 97 in the class right now, and you only have to get a 90 to pass. So okay, this is probably bad, but like I don't know how well I'm going to study for that test, just because I think my dad helped me figure it out. I think I can get like 72 out of 150 points, which is like less than 50%, and I'll still pass with an A. So obviously, like, I think I would get that if I didn't study at all, so I'm gonna study, but I'm just like not gonna like stress myself out over it, because I have my Native American final Tuesday. I have an essay that's due in that class as well, which is a hot mess right now, so I really need to work on editing that. I have another exam in geology and then a final report in geology. So still kind of a lot. This is my like last official week. I mean, classes are over, it's just exams and like these online classes. They take till the end of the term usually to finish. So yeah, I'm hoping to be done like Wednesday or Thursday of this week, but I just feel like I need to sit down today on my birthday and just like kind of get some little stuff done. Just submit this paper, be done with it, because we have a party later tonight, and then just study for marketing a little bit, and then I might review some of my notes for Native American, but that's mostly like not hypothetical, but like just things that we've talked about in class, which I feel like I can comprehend and understand fairly well. So I'm not like super worried about that one either. I hardly studied for the midterm and I did pretty well on it. So that's the plan for today. I don't really know how this video is going to end. I feel like this is just, yeah, I don't know, I just like feel weird filming around people, but I'm hoping, I think our party's at 4:30, so I have like 3 hours at home, and I don't know if we'll do anything. It's so cold outside. Alright, I just submitted it. 14 pages. 1 down, 6 to go. Alright, so today's Monday. Originally, when I started this video, I kind of thought that it was just going to be like my birthday weekend, but since I didn't really get a lot of footage, I figured I'd just go ahead and combine my birthday video with like my final exam week video, because I was going to film separate ones, but I was like, you know what, it's Monday, my 2 exams are tomorrow afternoon, and I have not studied for either one yet, so I figured like I wouldn't be able to film or have enough video clips for each video, so I just decided to combine them. So yeah, today is Monday morning, it's about 10 o'clock, I've been up for almost 2 hours, haven't gotten anything, well, I cleaned my room a little bit, and just kind of took it easy, just kind of slept in a little bit and laid in bed for a while, but I'm drinking peppermint tea in this new mug my mom got me for my birthday, and I'm about to start studying. And then I'm also working at 4:30 today. I was supposed to work at 3, but I asked my boss if I could come in later, because I was like, I have 2 exams and a paper due, and I'd rather like focus on that than come in and work, because Friday and Saturday when I worked, it was just like a zoo, and I was so overwhelmed. I was by myself, I was just busy, so many shipments came in, and I just like don't want to be in that environment for very long and be stressed out about exams and papers on top of that. So yeah, that is the agenda for today. Alright, so I am home now from work. It's 8:25, so I've been home for about an hour. I ate dinner, I showered, and I was just kind of on my phone for a little bit. I'm about to start studying again. So I was studying for the most part this morning, and then I also like got through most of it, so I started working on my research paper, but tonight is solely going to be studying just because both of my exams are tomorrow. My first one's not till 1:30, so I have like 3 hours in the morning to study, which will be nice as well. But I just want to go through and finish the practice quizzes for marketing, and then I'm going to go through all of my Native American like notes and handouts and PowerPoints and lectures and all that kind of stuff. And then if I have time, I might go over like, basically he creates knowledge outlines for us, and so that's where I take my notes, and that's how I primarily study, so I'll probably go over that right before bed. But yeah, I think I'm probably just going to spend like an hour, hour and a half studying, and then go to bed. I'm so excited though for tomorrow, just to take these finals, to be done, to finish my research paper, to be done with that, and then I only have 1 more research paper and a test. Except I might actually not take the test just because I don't have to. I can take a loss on those points and I'll still end up with an A. So I've like never done this before, like not completed all of my assignments, but I guess we'll just see how I'm feeling Wednesday. So yeah, I'm gonna get studying. I will see you guys in the morning. Alright, so long time no talk. I was just studying all of this morning. I just laid in bed and studied for like 2-ish hours. And I actually just got out of my first exam, my Native American class, and I think it went well. I don't really know. So much of it was like contextualizing quotes, and so like you can kind of just say what you want to say, and like I never know if I actually say the right thing. So we'll see how that goes out, but like I feel pretty good about it. I feel like I did just as well, if not better, than my midterm, which is good. So yeah, now I'm headed to my second exam. It's a little before 3, so I got out of that in time to make it to my marketing exam, which is at 4. So I'm gonna head over there, park, and then walk to where my exam is taking place, and probably just like kind of go over my notes a bit. And then I'm so close to being done. I just have to finish my paper for Native American, which is, I'm going to turn it in tonight. And then I also think I might go see Beautiful Boy tonight with my family. Okay, I don't want to be like stressed or late for my exam, so I'll talk to you guys later. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. It's actually Friday morning. I worked all day Wednesday and Thursday, so I didn't like record anything, and I officially finished everything yesterday, so I am done with the semester. It feels so good. I'm getting my grades back and I'm really happy. Just want to throw this in here. The paper that I lost so much of, I got a 98 on, which is like by far the highest grade I got in her class. So I'm really happy with that. I'm glad it all worked out well. It's been an overall pretty good semester, although I was definitely ready for it to end, and I'm also kind of excited for next semester already, but more excited to just like chill and relax. I watched like a movie, I stayed up late last night, like it's just so nice not having anything that like I absolutely have to do. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was kind of a bunch of different stuff. I was editing it yesterday, and I was like, wow, there's all kinds of different stuff in here and it's very choppy, but that's okay. Also, thoughts on starting Vlogmas now? Like, I feel like I could upload like every other day. Not really. So it wouldn't really be Vlogmas, but like kind of like day in my life. So like Vlogmas like every other day. So I don't know. I was going to post it on my Instagram and do a poll and see what you guys thought. But since I'm posting this today, Friday, you guys can also let me know what you think. So I'll definitely have like a couple vlogs coming, but like I could vlog more if you guys would be into that. So let me know. Also follow me on Instagram, subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!